तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to? उसने किसे बुलाया था? Whom did he invite? Whom did he invite? क्या यह तुम्हारा विचार था? Was it your idea? Was it your idea? तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? क्या तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला था? Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me? क्या उसने वादा किया था? Had he made a promise? Had he made a promise? क्या सब कुछ ठीक था? Was everything all right? Was everything all right? मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. वह मेरी मदद कर रही थी। She was helping me. She was helping me. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे। The kids were playing in the park. The kids were playing in the park. हम बाजार जा रहे थे। We were going to the market. We were going to the market. वह मुझे देख रहा था। He was watching me. He was watching me. मैं कुछ सोच रहा था। I was thinking about something. I was thinking about something. वह खाना बना रही थी। She was cooking food. She was cooking food. मैं उस समय पढ़ाई कर रहा था। I was studying at that time. I was studying at that time. वह मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा था। He wasn't talking to me. He wasn't talking to me. मैंने खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोए। I washed my hands before eating. I washed my hands before eating. जब वह आया मैं सो रहा था। I was sleeping when he came. I was sleeping when he came. बारिश हो रही थी जब हम निकले। It was raining when we left. It was raining when we left. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया था। He hadn't told me anything. He hadn't told me anything. हमने यात्रा शुरू करने से पहले योजना बनाई थी। We had planned before starting the trip. We had planned before starting the trip. मैंने पहले ही अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था। I had already finished my work. I had already finished my work. वह जाने से पहले मुझसे मिला था। He had met me before leaving. He had met me before leaving. मैंने उसे पहले कभी नहीं देखा था। I had never seen him before. I had never seen him before. जब मैं पहुंचा सभी जा चुके थे। When I arrived, everyone had left. When I arrived, everyone had left. उसने वादा किया था लेकिन निभाया नहीं। He had promised but didn't keep it. He had promised but didn't keep it. मैंने उसे बहुत समझाया था। I had explained it to him a lot. I had explained it to him a lot. उसने मुझे कभी निराश नहीं किया था। He had never disappointed me. He had never disappointed me. तुम कुछ सोच रहे थे, है ना? You were thinking about something, right? You were thinking about something, right? वे पिछले हफ्ते यहां रह रहे थे। They were staying here last week. They were staying here last week. वह लगातार कोशिश कर रहा था। He was trying continuously. He was trying continuously. हमने बहुत पहले यह तय कर लिया था। We had decided this a long time ago. We had decided this a long time ago. हमने उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया। We didn't trust him. We didn't trust him. वह स्कूल नहीं गया था। He hadn't gone to school. He hadn't gone to school. मैंने उसे कॉल नहीं किया। I didn't call him. I didn't call him. उन्होंने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। They didn't give any answer. They didn't give any answer. वह मुझे पसंद नहीं आया। I didn't like it. I didn't like it. उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। He ate nothing. He ate nothing. हम वहां नहीं गए। We didn't go there. We didn't go there. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया। I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. तुमने मुझे याद नहीं किया। You didn't remember me. You didn't remember me. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं पूछा। He didn't ask me anything. He didn't ask me anything. वे पार्टी में नहीं आए। They didn't come to the party. They didn't come to the party. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसा हो। I didn't want this to happen. I didn't want this to happen. मैंने किसी को कुछ नहीं बताया। I didn't tell anyone anything. I didn't tell anyone anything. तुमने यह क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell this? Why didn't you tell this? वह कुछ नहीं बोल रहा था। He wasn't saying anything. He wasn't saying anything. मैंने यह काम नहीं किया था। I hadn't done this work. I hadn't done this work. उन्होंने मुझसे कोई वादा नहीं किया। They didn't make any promise. They didn't make any promise. हम समय पर नहीं पहुंचे। We didn't arrive on time. We didn't arrive on time. वह खुश नहीं थी। She was not happy. She was not happy. मैंने कोशिश नहीं की। I didn't try. I didn't try. मैंने यह सपना कभी नहीं देखा। I never had this dream. I never had this dream. उसने कभी सच नहीं बोला। He never told the truth. He never told the truth. तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा था? Had he seen you? Had he seen you? क्या तुमने मुझे याद किया? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? तुमने उसे जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer him? Why didn't you answer him? क्या उन्होंने कुछ कहा? Did he say anything? Did he say anything? वह कब वापस आया? When did he return? When did he return? क्या तुमने फिल्म देखी? Did you watch the movie? Did you watch the movie? तुमने कौन सी किताब पढ़ी? Which book did you read? Which book did you read? क्या तुम वहां गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? क्या उसने तुम्हें फोन किया? Did she call you? Did she call you? तुमने अपना काम कब पूरा किया? When did you finish your work? When did you finish your work? उसने तुम्हें क्या बताया? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? क्या तुमने सबको बताया? Did you tell everyone? Did you tell everyone? वह क्यों रो रही थी? Why was she crying? Why was she crying? क्या तुमने कोशिश की थी? Had you tried? Had you tried?